My bag.
By Alexandra Pichushkina.
This is my bag. Look what I have in my bag. This is my wallet. It is brown. I keep money in my wallet. These are my keys. I open and close the door with my keys. This is my cell phone. I make calls with my phone. This is my umbrella. It is grey, yellow, and purple. I put my umbrella in my bag on a rainy day. This is my notebook. It has got white paper. I write in my notebook with pencils and pens. These are my sunglasses. They are black. I wear my sunglasses on a sunny day. This is my digital camera. I use it to take pictures of my friends. That is all I have in my bag.